and tenants should be involved in every area.
Tenants at the heart. How tenants can influence and shape services going forward. Satisfaction, management costs, financial information in there. I think it just allows tenants to look at this data and to have conversations and to challenge the landlord as to why certain metrics are as they are.
Hi, my name is Helen. I'm chair of the Regulatory Board for Wales. I've just got back from Newport after a Regulatory Board meeting, a very full and busy day of debate and discussion.
Today, and to open this year's TPAS Cymru conference.
Hello, I'm David Wilton.
And I'm Elizabeth Taylor from TPAS Cymru.
We've had over 70 nominations covering all the different tenant categories.
Hi, I'm David from TPAS and got something a bit different today. It's about 6:30 on Friday morning.
It's interesting, there's a lot there that I've never heard of before.
Surveys that you receive every 3 months.
Our latest information video from TPAS Cymru.
TPAS Cymru, and I'd just like to say a big thank you to all of you, tenants, officers, everyone in the sector who took part in our Health and Safety Week. Thanks.
Tenant or a person taking keen interest in making a difference, it's for you.
WHQS. So what is WHQS? It stands for Welsh Housing Quality Standard.
Landlords should have to provide references to tenants to prove what
your help. You as tenants can influence the way housing associations. Big recycle centre here in Swansea.
In the heart of city centre, invited by Cardiff Community Housing Association.
A home that's been retrofitted.
Hi, I'm Eleanor from TPAS Cymru, and I just wanted to come on today and give you 3 reasons why you should join us at our National Good Practice Awards 2022.
And welcome to the second All Wales Annual Tenant Survey.
O ran gweithio drwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg, ac yn gwneud hynny yn ddyddiol yn y swyddfa.
So you link it to your wet heating system.
Heat pumps in bit.
Welsh Government are about to publish their WHQS 2023 standard that is inclusive of flooring as mandatory. We're absolutely delighted that this is going to be implemented as standard.
How this efficiency impacts your wallet and the planet.
It was a really good experience, very positive.
Told us that their rents have been increased by 14%.
But how is Cardiff Council achieving this affordable bond?
Today we're at Addison House, our first new build community living scheme.
And let's listen and talk to Scottish tenants and bring that back to Wales.
Power to the people.
Every minute has been like gold dust, and I don't think it can improve on that. It's been magical.
Mi fydd 'na ystod eang o weithdai, a da ni eisiau trefnu o 2
David Wilson from TPAS Cymru, a group that gives advice to social housing tenants and landlords and help develop the new standard.
cut that. Long for
sorry, I paused it there.